Mike left me the keys of the Phoenix. We find ourselves in an empty room, but as we go venture off into the other area, there's Stefan right there, Pops. We are in the land of, I was gonna come up with something clever, but I just got totally tongue twisted. Some crazy cars in here today, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the BC and the Phoenix here, so we got both of them started up. So that one, it's like incredibly loud when it first cold starts, and most of the group already left, and we're just here chilling with these two right now. If you guys take a small look what's inside this garage. There we go, dude. Actually, the car I'm most excited about in here is not the Senna GTRs, in fact. It's actually the Maserati Corsa, MC Corsa back there, the Stradale. This thing right here, it's actually my favorite thing I've ever seen. Just because I have a GT2. So we're currently on our way to the track. We were just at the Huayra house or whatever, garage, but yeah, this is it, man. Thermal right here. It's a beautiful day out here. The highest today is going to be 99 degrees, so it's going to get pretty spicy, and it's currently only 8 o'clock in the morning. Got everybody all lined up, ready to go. Gonna do a lot of video and photography today, so gonna be really working. So this is my first time on the track. Same thing with Dandy. Yeah. Yep, first time. Carson's with us, also Pops. No, this is not Mike's first time though. So Mike's right.
First time with this car.
With this car. So he's out there in the Phoenix. We're in the BC. He brought both of them out so that he can try both of them on the track. So Mike left me the keys of the Phoenix. But yeah, here we go. We got the Phoenix. I'm gonna take it on a small little photo shoot before they tape it up, because they're gonna tape up the gold leaf just so that it doesn't get damaged. So I want to get some shots of it looking all good still before that happens. Reverse gear is downshift. So I stole the keys to the Koenigsegg, set it up right here to get some photos first. So they're gonna tape up all the gold just to make sure it doesn't get damaged later on. But yeah, dude, got my camera. Right now the Pagani Huayra BC is actually out on the track, and yeah, dude, I haven't heard it go by yet just because it just went on there, but we got Phoenix right here. Here's the BC coming through. Ooh, sounds like a jet fighter. How awesome is it out here, Carson?
It's pretty sick.
Dude.
I like track days.
This is our first time here at Thermal, and it's absolutely amazing.
I've done a couple track days, but never.
Yeah, I've done.
Thermal.
Exactly. Look at this 12C right here. He's going fast. Here comes the Nismo GTR. That yellow one was surprisingly quiet. Here he comes again. Here we go. Walking that BMW M5, dude. So crazy. He just walks that M5 like nothing.
So sick.
It's like it's standing still, like a Corolla. And then we got the BC chilling. Here he comes. Big Daddy Phoenix. Alright, so it's my turn in the passenger seat of the BC. Man, this is gonna be rad.
Hold on one second. Thank you.
Alright boys, this is it. We're inside the Huayra BC with the professional driver Mike at the helm. Wow, this rips. Absolutely incredible on the track. It just pulls on to the track like no tomorrow.
Yeah, the brakes definitely in this feels better.
Better?
Yeah.
This car is gripping pretty good. Oh man. Man, dude, that was sick. That was sick. Thanks, Mike.
No worries.
That was like the experience of a lifetime. What's really incredible is that the whole time, like, you feel so confident in this car. I wasn't scared at all. It just felt so planted, like every single corner he took. Dude, that felt so crazy. Like, look at my hair right now. It's like everywhere. Dude, that's so sick. Yeah, there you go. We got the two right here next to each other. So just, man, that BC. All right, guys, we're still here on the track. I got the ride in the Huayra BC, and that thing was fantastic. And now James the Stradman is here in the Phoenix. He got a ride in both of them, and the Phoenix he was telling me was like just incredibly brutal. It was absolutely insane. The Phoenix for me is such a crazy car, but if I had to pick one, definitely the BC right there. Honestly, which one would you take out of these two? It's such a hard decision. It's like choosing between kids. But man, dude, I mean, Mike made it really easy by just getting both, but which one would you take? For me, the BC all the way, that's mine. The Phoenix, oh man, it's like, it's so close. What did you get, dude? Look at the carbon fiber on that. It looks so fantastic, man. Guys, thermal, man. Thermal is such a fantastic track. First time here, look at these two. Insane.
Best shot wins.
Best shot wins? Hell yeah, dude. So we're gonna head out over there to the stand and capture these two flying by. They're gonna try their best to be side by side, I think. But yeah. Oh. So now we got the two heading onto the track. We got the BC right there. And we followed by the Phoenix. Gotta get these shots in, dude. It's gonna be epic seeing these two fly by right now. Yeah, this track, look how fantastic this track looks. It's just like so smooth and so perfect. And then you got these nice houses and villas in there too. It looks amazing. There you go, that's the entire event right there. Oh, that Huracan Evo though. They should even get in, right? It was not early. Oh yeah? Yeah. All right, guys. We're not even done with the day yet. This is only part one. Part two is basically getting all the shots of these cars and stuff like that. And can't wait, dude. Super cool. Guys, today was such an epic day with these two. I mean, well, these two right there. So we got the BC on the trailer, and then we have the Phoenix about to go on there too. This is, yeah, we're loading it up right now, but just want to say thank you guys for watching this episode. Today was an absolutely crazy day, and I'm glad that you were able to join me on this adventure. But thank you guys for watching, and peace out, guys. I'll see you guys later next time.